Okay, let's check out the covers here on this 2022 Can-Am Defender Lone Star Edition. This has the bolstered seats on it, so they are the larger bolstered seats compared to some of the other Defenders. Lower end models have more of a flat seat. We call those the standard seats if you're talking to us on the phone. 40, 20, 40 seat, so there's going to be the 40 sections are going to have separate covers, as well as this 20 section is going to have its own cover here. Down there we have a full install video teaching you how to put all this on. These fabrics, this is the black Dura Easy Care for the insert. Super durable, water resistant fabric there. And then also water resistant and durable fabric from Mossy Oak New Breakup Country. Both of these are 600 denier nylon fabrics. Again, super durable and gonna last a long time, protect the seats underneath. Now this is the Mossy Oak New Breakup Country. That's the same Mossy Oak pattern that's on the outside of a lot of Defenders. This Defender was just it was the black, which is a really awesome way to do it. It's just blacked out. But if you have the camo edition, where you have camo on the outside, you're gonna wanna choose Mossy Oak New Breakup Country. That's the closest camo print that you can get there. Realtree Extras, another close print, and just the Mossy Oak New Breakup. That's a decent one as well. So awesome looking set here with the black Dura Easy Care Mossy Oak New Breakup Country seat covers. Everything folds and functions just how it should. Straps and buckles, keeps this snug, tight fit. And here's this 20 section back right here, so you still have your cup holders. All the seating areas are covered. Everywhere where there was original upholstery is covered now with the cover. Looks good. And let us know if you have any other questions at coversandcamo.com. Thanks.
Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, side-by-sides, SUVs, cars, the whole lineup. If you want to get yours ordered, go to coversandcamo.com. Let's do this. Thanks.